For years, have you ever felt like you're on the outside looking in at the housing market? You see friends and neighbors building their wealth, securing their family's future, but you feel stuck. The thought of a conventional loan, with all its talk of interest and debt, just doesn't sit right with your values. It feels like a compromise you're not willing to make, a weight on your soul. You dream of owning a home, a place where your children can grow, a foundation built on integrity and faith, not on a cycle of interest. If this sounds like you, then Omar's story might just change everything. Omar felt this way for years. He yearned for a home, for that sense of security and belonging for his family, but the traditional path felt like a dead end. Every visit to a bank was a reminder of the conflict between his financial goals and his spiritual peace. He was searching for a better way, a path that offered both growth and integrity. He wanted a home built on a foundation of shared success, not just a transaction based on rates and payments. He wasn't just looking for a house, he was looking for peace of mind. Then he discovered something different, a community of experts who didn't see him as just another borrower on a spreadsheet. They saw him as a partner. Instead of a traditional lender, he found a team ready to join him on his journey. They stepped in to acquire the property alongside him, creating a transparent, ethical path toward full ownership. This wasn't about him taking on debt, it was about building a partnership. A partnership that respected his values every single step of the way. It was a revolutionary concept for him, a way to achieve his dream without compromising his faith. This approach is called co-ownership, and it's a powerful alternative to interest-based financing. Here's how it works. Instead of lending you money, a partner company invests with you to buy the home. You both own it together from day one. Your monthly payments aren't just paying off interest. They're buying out your partner's share of the property over time. So with each payment, your ownership stake grows. It's a simple, transparent model built on the principles of trade and mutual benefit, not debt. There's no lender-borrower relationship, just two partners working together toward a common goal, your complete home ownership. Think about the implications. You're not just a client, you're a co-owner. Your success is their success. This model aligns everyone's interests. The risk and rewards are shared, and the entire process is rooted in ethical principles. It removes the heavy feeling of indebtedness and replaces it with the empowering feeling of building equity in a true partnership. This is the kind of financial solution that doesn't just look at the numbers, it looks at the person behind them. It honors your beliefs and helps you build a solid financial future for your family. Today, Omar stands in his own living room. The sun is streaming through the windows, and he feels a profound sense of relief and pride. His children are playing in the backyard of a home that is truly theirs, built on a foundation of integrity. His family's future is secure, and his conscience is clear. He didn't have to choose between his faith and his financial well-being. By choosing a partnership rooted in mutual benefit and shared risk, he finally unlocked the door to generational wealth without ever losing sight of what mattered most. Omar's story isn't unique. It's a journey that many others are now taking. A journey away from the conventional system and toward a path of financial empowerment that aligns with their values. You don't have to stand on the sidelines anymore. You can build wealth, own your dream home, and do it all with a clear heart. Your journey toward a home you can truly call your own, in every sense of the word, can start today. If you're ready to explore this path, connect with our team at Halalvest Real Estate LLC. Visit our website at www.halalvestrealestate.com to learn more and see how co-ownership can work for you. Or give us a call at 877-50 Halal. Let's start building your future together on a foundation of partnership and peace. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.